Hi guys, welcome back. As you probably know from my last video, I tried to fix a digital tachometer, very cheap, on my DT. It didn't work well and I discovered that I just don't need it. I don't like it aesthetically speaking, and I don't like the idea of having the coil cables coming up to this part of the motorbike exposed to weather, rain and all the things. I'm going to remove the coil cables, but I had an idea. Why not put an USB port to charge my phone while driving my motorbike? I already have the positive wire. So I'm gonna be using one of these. This is the inside part of one of that thing, I don't know the name, that you use to charge your phone in the car. So the 12 volt comes in and the 5 volt comes out from here. So I don't know which is the positive and which the negative, if this spring here or these two pins. I'm gonna be doing some tests. So now I take the seat off, the fuel tank, I remove the coil cables, I remove the tachometer, but I think I'll maintain this bracket, aluminum bracket, because I like it and it can help holding the USB port. I welded two cables in place and now I just cover this part here with hot glue, just to make sure the plus and the minus does not contact each other. So the most important to cover is the plus, this one, because it's the one that is not connected to the frame. There it is. Okay, I covered it with tape and then with head shrink. So I just connected one cable to the positive, who comes from the key switch, and the other one to the negative, hearted to the frame, and I will place it in here. That's the way it turned out. I really like it. You just unscrew and connect your phone or whatever. Now I just put all the things back together and see you next time.